Hello, Math 120 students. We're doing the last one, and this is a family of 3 children. Last time we did the 2 children. Let's see what happens to the sample space when you have 3 children. You know, you can already think of it. You could have a boy, girl, girl. You could have girl, girl, girl. You could have girl, boy. I mean, it's much bigger space than 2 children. So I'm going to start with child 1. The child could be a boy or a girl. I hope I've left enough space. I only had this much space at the end. Now, if the first child is a boy, the second one could be a boy or a girl. Okay, and that's your boy, 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 girl from above. And if the first one was a girl, you could also, and I just do this, boy, girl, the same. Keep it consistent, otherwise I'll confuse myself. Now, suppose we had boy, boy. The third child from this one could be a boy or a girl. And this one from the girl could be a boy or a girl. Hopefully you're making yourself a lot more space to do this in. This was a boy or a girl. And from this girl we could have a boy or a girl. All right, lots of combinations when you have 3 children. And you just go down here, you go boy, boy, boy. So the sample space, you always want to conclude over here what the sample space is. So boy, 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 then what? I'm not finished with this branch. I could have boy, 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 and then a girl. And then this one, boy, girl, boy, boy, girl, boy, boy, girl, girl. All right, boy, girl. So it takes care of if the first child is a boy. I've got all of those. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. And then girl, boy, boy. That's down this one, girl, boy, boy. And girl, boy, girl. Then girl, girl, boy. And girl, girl, girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 outcomes. Now, if we were doing this with the multiplication principle, we would have the 3 children, 1, 2, 3. There are 2 choices for the first, 2 choices for the second, and 2 choices for the third, which gives a 2 times 2. So that gives you 8 outcomes. So it does match our multiplication principle. And over here, when we were doing 2 children, if you have 2 children, 1, 2, that would be 2 times 2. And there are 4 outcomes by the multiplication principle. But this is so much more fun to make a tree. Okay, let's see the probability of having exactly 1 girl in the family. Let's see. Oh boy. All right, here we go. 1, 2. That's 2 girls. 2, 3. Is it just 3? Yes. 3 out of a total of 8. All right. Probability of having 2 girls in the family. Let's see. How many is that? 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 8. All right. Probability of 3 girls. That one's easy. That's this. There's only 1 chance out of 8 to get 3 girls. That was very unlikely to get 3 girls. D, having at least 1 girl, would be all of these except for the one with the boys in it. So that would be, what is that? 7 out of 8. All right. That concludes 8.1. See you later.